Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. This is part 3 of this series. I started thinking about it. I've always used a rectangle to do the, and if you didn't watch the other ones, you might be a little bit confused. But we're going to do some more, and this is all grouped together, so we're going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and we can actually just move this to wherever we want. But if you see we're getting tight and putting a rectangle, because we need to kind of get all these spots if we want that. Let's see what it looks like if we move this down. That doesn't look too bad. Now, here's kind of the key. I've always used the rectangle, but it might be hard to get a rectangle to cover all these spots. So you don't have to use a rectangle. You can use the freehand tool and see, go right through there and come down here. You don't have to get that other part, but you need to go until it kind of clicks and makes a circle. Now, what we're going to do, because both these are, you know what, that's not what we want. We only want this part. So this is going to be really crucial for using the freehand tool, because we want the other part to go behind. So I'm just going to go there, go up there, and go up here, and go up there. And you want it to be connected, so it'll make a joint. And then we're going to do the same thing we did. It's selected. Then we're going to shift select this and go intersect. And that gives us this item. And we're going to do, let's get rid of our rectangle. And we're going to take this and make another copy of it, just like we did in part 2. And we need to do just the opposite on both these. We need to take away the fill. And on this one, take away the outline. I'm right-clicking and left-clicking. Now we need to take this one and ungroup it and get the shape tool and select them all. And you can just right-click and break them apart. And then you can get because what we're trying to do is get rid of these. Now they're not vertical lines, they're just at an angle. But we need to move this over. So there's our lines. And I've almost forgot where we're putting this. We're putting it right there. So let me back it up. So on this one, we want to grab this one and put it to the object order backup page. And see, it actually moved my black. So I'm just going to take my black out of the way for a second. So that looks like it's on the back of the page, but when we move this over, it looks now like it's on the front of the page. I'm going to go ahead and group this together, Control G, and then take a black box. Black boxes just make it stand out so much more. Now it looks like you've got multiple twisted, interlocking triangles. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.